Okay, so I'm no videographer, I know speak right, but uh, so here is the Ego 56-volt portable area light tool only. No, this is not a professional production. There we go. Register your tool. I think most Ego users do this blindly and don't need to be reminded, but it's good to have that as your first reminder. Waffles, sand castles that your child can play with. We are there. And I absolutely know this is 100% directly from the manufacturer because at Lowe's they pulled it out of the box, off of the top shelf. They didn't even know they had this in stock. So, it is there. It's a little heavier than I suspected it would be. I would say probably really bad judge, but I would say about the weight of two 7.5 batteries, maybe two 5.0s, two 7.5s. But it looks cool. So obviously I didn't read any instructions. And I don't know what that is. And I don't, but here's a handle. It's got a handle. And that flips out. And this flips out. Oh, that is the upper handle. Hey, look at that. That's just brilliant. And I'm not even looking at the screen, so hopefully you've been seeing what I've been doing. There we go. That is the full deal. It is total measurements across. I would say that's little under 2 feet across, little under 2 feet tall total. And just because I have it handy, I'm going to use my 2.5 batteries. I probably need to peel these stickers off because I don't want to like melt anything. Okay. There has got to be a easy way to do this. Like I said, this is completely unprofessional. Trying to do this one-handed. It's really stuck on, but it does come off cleanly. Doesn't look like it left any residue or anything. Now I'm working on the bottom one. I have no idea. They could maybe like add like a little pull tab or... Okay, now this one here is not coming off in one piece. I wonder if I'm... Yeah, you wouldn't leave these things on. That would be stupid. Okay. So, that one did come off without leaving any residue either. I wonder if there's any clear plastic on these, and there is. So, these are just film, a little bit easier to pull off. So yeah, there is plastic on both of these. Hopefully, I should read the instructions. Hopefully these aren't like anti-scratch things, but actually shipping stuff. And then this, we'll just tear that off. We don't need that. And I think I got everything there. This, what is that? Oh, this folds. It feels pretty durable. I can pretty much manhandle it. I don't have to feel like I have to be gentle with it or anything like that. Ugh. There we go. Okay, so it is totally unboxed. Label is done. all is good. So now it's time to drop on, for convenience sake, I don't feel like going outside. I'm going to drop on a 2.5 battery, which literally makes no difference to the weight of the thing, because like I said, it's fairly hefty in the first place. Now I'm sure there's like clear instructions, but I'm kind of doing this without using the instructions to see how brilliant I am. Okay, so down on the bottom here, power, minus, plus what? Plus, I'm blind. I'm sure you can read that. Something boost. And then I have no idea what that symbol does. But let's hit the power and see what happens. Power button. Holy cow. Okay. That definitely is bright. Adjustable. I feel like I'm on a movie set. And it's nighttime, but you still want to be able to see the actors. Yeah, that is bright. And that's just by turning it on. So then we've got, what were the buttons again? I think it was a negative and a plus. And let's look at this again. Negative, and then the plus, and then I'm guessing the rotate. So, yeah. So, negative does nothing because I'm already negative. Wait. I'm already on the lowest setting. That's power. Farthest one over is brighter. Holy cow. That just got definitely really brighter. No question about that. Now the bottom one is fixed. So you're always going to have that bottom one just shining straight out. The rest of them, you can go out like that. This one here doesn't fold much farther back than a little bit past straight up. So that's about the extent that that one goes, but it does go forward. So if you want to like really shine a spot right there, wonderful. If you want to go straight up to the sky, well, and that's not going to happen, but I don't know how often you're going to need to go straight up to the sky. So, but you can do a box. You can pretend you're like a train conductor and walk down the tracks, whatever. Okay, so that's only +1. I don't know if there's another plus. Let's see. Okay, so if you hit, I hit the rotate one. So the rotate button, hit it once, it shuts off the bottom. Hit it a second time, it shuts off the sides. Hit it a third time, it turns all three of them back on again. But, so let's see if the plus. Okay, so plus definitely just went up even more. So, yeah, that is really bright. I think that will probably illuminate pretty much any job that you have. And it still goes even brighter. So if you're trying to land an airplane, then this level here will definitely do the trick for you. And it goes even brighter and brighter. And I'm just going to try holding the button in and see full brightness. Okay, so that there is full brightness. I have no idea how to show you what full brightness is other than this thing is bright. It is actually, it's hurting my eyes to look in its direction. So I'm trying to, I got my eyes covered and I'm just looking at the camera. So it is bright. It'll definitely do the job. Unfortunately, I live in Alaska, and it doesn't really get dark this time of the year outside, so even bringing it outside is not going to show, a full idea. But yeah, this thing is bright. I got to knock it down some. So, I mean, having all the buttons right here is pretty nice because, I mean, like I said, no instructions, and it took me 30 seconds to figure out all of the buttons. So this is the lowest setting of all four. Then you can knock out the bottom one. Then you can shut off the side ones. And I'm guessing this is the setting that they talk about when they say that it can run for 35 hours. Up to 35 hours of runtime, lowest setting. I don't know what battery they're talking about. Probably the 5.0, I think I read somewhere. But using a 2.5, I'm curious to see how long it'll stay on for. I think I may turn it all the way up and I'm going to turn it all the way up and then all the lights on. So rotate all of them. It is a bit weird that they have the power right in the middle of the two of the up and down. I understand why they did it, but typically you'd have the power and then you have, plus and minus next to each other. It's not a deterrent, but you just have to, and the buttons are really easy to feel. Like I said, I'm staring into the light, so I can't see these buttons. I'm just reaching around the side, and I already know it's minus, power, plus, and to rotate the lenses. Okay, for having absolutely no experience in doing an unboxing video, and certainly far from professional, I am really happy with my purchase. It is tool only, but if you're out buying an Ego area light, you're probably already hooked on the product and you probably already have all sorts of extra batteries. So I'm going to leave this thing on for a while and see how far it goes on a 2.5 battery, all four lights on and full blast, and I'll leave a comment after to let you know how long it lasts. Thanks.